Hello everyone, today we will learn how to make this wonderful PowerPoint slide within a few minutes. Firstly, we will insert a rectangle shape covering the full slide. Now we will draw a hexagon in the top right corner of the slide. After that, we will make several duplicates of the hexagon and try to cover the right portion of the slide. I am fast forwarding this step so that you don't get bored. Now firstly we will select the rectangle and then the hexagons. We will go to Shape Format and in Merge Shapes select Subtract. Now we will change the shape fill to dark blur and we will remove the shape outline. We will insert a picture from stock images as per our wish. So I am inserting this picture. We will change the position, size and extend the picture as this will be required for the next procedures. Now we will send the picture to back. After that, we will go to Animations and select the Motion Paths line animation. We will go to the Effect options and select Right. Now on the screen, we will see a red arrow after clicking the picture. The red arrow needs to be adjusted like this for making this slide like you have seen at the beginning of the video. Now we will increase the duration to 6 seconds. After that, we will go to Format Shape. Now we will go to Shape Effects and adjust the shadow like this. Now we will increase the transparency of the shape. We will insert any other required picture or text box. Now we will click on Slideshow. The PowerPoint is ready. Subscribe for more videos and comment what videos you want to watch.